Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about functional interface. So, what is a functional interface? Okay, so how we can describe a functional interface? So, basically, a functional interface is a plain interface which contains only one abstract method. Okay, so whatever the interface which you are having it, if it has only one abstract method, that can be called as a functional interface. And next one. As I said, they can have only one functionality to exhibit. The reason we are naming it as a functional interface, if I am creating a functional interface, that particular interface belongs to one single functionality. That that particular interface is dedicated for that particular single implement. I mean a simple what you can say simple operation or a single operation. So what is the important thing of functional interface? Lambda expressions. So the lambda expression can be used to represent the instance of a functional interface. We will see in the simple examples. It will be easy to understand. So these are the some existing functional interfaces. We have seen runnable and comparator and comparable and action listener. All of them are functional existing functional interfaces. Okay, so can we have some other methods in a functional interface? You can't have method declarations, but you can have a default method with the explanation and the static method with the explanations. Okay, i'll I'll write a simple example to show you how the functional interface look like. Okay, and next important thing, what is the pillars of Java 8? Okay, there are four functional interfaces. Those are the core for Java 8. The first one is the consumer and predicate, and the next one the function and the supplier. Okay, so these are the core of Java 8 functional interfaces. Okay, we have talked a lot about how the interface looks like and what are the functional interface. Let's create a simple interface to see how it is looks like. As I said, it's just a simple Java interface. Okay, let me create a new Java file. Let's call okay, let's call it a test interface. Finish. Okay, so I forgot to say, if it is an interface and it is a functional interface, you need to annotate that particular interface as functional interface. Correct? So I got a compilation error. What is it? Just highlight invalid functional interface annotation. The test interface is not a functional interface. Since I made this particular interface as a functional interface, it is expecting a at least, I mean, it is expecting a single abstract method. Okay, so let's create one. Let me create a public void add. Okay, let's see. So we got an error here. Okay, so that's my bad. It is an interface, not a class. See, now the error is gone, right? So when you specify any Java class as a functional interface, it has to have one abstract method. Okay, so can we have a default method as we mentioned in the PPT? What else we can have it inside the functional interface? We can have a default methods. Default or string say hi and return hi. See, we can have a default method, and also we can have a static method also. Static boolean can call it as is true. So I can return true. Okay. So this is how the functional interface looks like. So the basic thing is we can have a default and the static methods. Does the functional interface annotation is necessary? If you're not providing the functional interface, will it not work? It's not like that. Functional interface is an optional. Okay, even if you're not, if you comment out functional interface, still it works. Okay, but what will happen? It's become a normal interface. You can have multiple method declaration. Okay, because if it's a functional interface, you need to have only one. Okay, let me uncomment it and we'll see what happens. See, now I'm getting an exception. The reason is I have two abstract methods here, right? So you need to have only one method. So remove this. So this is how the functional interface will work. I mean, it will be looks like it can have default method, static boolean along with the single abstract method. Okay. So with this we are comes to the end of this particular video. So the next video we will discuss about the four pillars of Java 8 interfaces. Thank you.